Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make burrito rice bowl, only way. Begin by cooking 2 cups rice and seasoning it with lime and salt, then toast cumin and chili powder. While rice simmers, brown the protein or heat beans and chop fresh toppings. Layer rice, protein, and toppings in a bowl, finish with a squeeze of lime, and taste for salt before serving for perfect balance. Heat a pot with 2 cups water and a pinch of salt, then add rinsed rice and bring to a gentle boil. Lower the heat, cover, and simmer without lifting the lid until the water is absorbed. Stir in 1 tablespoon butter and a squeeze of lime for brightness, then fluff with a fork. Let rice rest briefly so it firms up slightly, making it easier to layer in the bowl. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for enjoying a recipe book or novel while dinner simmers. Its crisp display makes waiting feel cozy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a great kitchen companion. Now let's get back to the video. Season cooked protein or warmed beans with cumin, chili powder, and garlic for authentic flavor, then taste and adjust. Chop fresh pico ingredients and toss with lime for bright contrast. Layer rice, protein, pico, avocado, and cheese in the bowl, and finish with cilantro and a drizzle of hot sauce if you like heat. This balance of textures and flavors makes each bite satisfying and easy to customize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.